TOEFL iBT のリスニングセクションは、会話1題と講義1から2題で構成されています。この動画は1回の講義の練習問題を収録したものです。問題音声の終了後、内容に関する問題に答えていただきます。開発運営元である ETS のウェブサイトでは、1問につき35秒以内での回答が推奨されています。そのため、このビデオでは各設問の回答時間を35秒に設定しています。音声が流れている間にメモを取ることができます。問題の回答はこのビデオの概要欄に記載されています。
Listen to part of a lecture from a social studies class.
So now let's take a look at social dynamics within urban environments. As cities continue to expand and evolve, understanding the intricate interplay of factors shaping social behavior becomes increasingly crucial. Let's begin by examining the concept of urbanization and its impact on societal structures. So, urbanization, which is the process of population concentration in cities, or basically cities becoming more crowded, has been a defining feature of modernization. With rapid urban growth, traditional social bonds often undergo significant transformations. One notable effect is the rise of anonymity within densely populated areas, leading to both opportunities and challenges for social interaction. Anonymity, while fostering independence and diversity, can also undermine social cohesion. So, for example, in large cities, individuals may feel disconnected from their immediate surroundings. They may not feel a sense of community in the area that they live in. And of course, this can contribute to feelings of isolation and alienation. However, some innovative urban planning initiatives and community-based projects have emerged throughout the world to mitigate these issues, promoting a sense of belonging and collective identity. Community engagement plays a pivotal role in fostering resilience and promoting urban renewal. By empowering residents to actively participate in decision-making processes such as how money should be spent and what kind of local projects should be prioritized, cities can harness local knowledge and resources to address pressing social challenges. Collaborative efforts between governments, NGOs, and grassroots organizations are essential for creating inclusive and sustainable urban environments. Let's take a look at the case of participatory budgeting. This is a democratic approach to allocating public funds, or, in other words, involving the community in the decision-making process for how money is locally used. This originated in Porto Alegre in Brazil, and it was a democratic experiment. It's an innovative practice that allows citizens to directly influence budgetary decisions through community assemblies and voting processes. By prioritizing local needs and preferences, participatory budgeting promotes transparency and accountability in governance. Ultimately, it enhances social trust and civic engagement, and it's proven to be very effective. To sum things up, the dynamics of urbanization offer both challenges and opportunities for social scientists and policymakers alike. But by fostering inclusive and participatory approaches to urban development, we can still create vibrant and resilient communities that thrive amidst the complexities of modern urban life.
What is the lecture mainly about? Why does the professor mention Brazil? According to the professor, what are two possible effects of anonymity? Choose two answers. How does community engagement empower residents? What is the professor's attitude towards participatory budgeting? Listen again to part of the lecture and answer the question.
So, urbanization, which is the process of population concentration in cities, or basically cities becoming more crowded.
Why does the professor say this?
Or basically cities becoming more crowded